What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I've got a video that I think is going to help a lot of you guys out there. Now, the topic of today's video is going to be sitting out. Now, what do I mean by this? What do I mean when I say sitting out? Now, what I mean by this is, guys, every day you don't have to see a form of success in terms of a dollar P&L amount, okay? You don't have to catch every single move within the market. And you have to be okay with that, guys. The market's always going to be around, okay? Once you can get that thought in your head and realize that you don't need to go into the market every single morning and look to take a trade, that's when you actually become profitable, because you're going into the market each and every day not looking to essentially take a trade. In all honesty, when you guys finally start to not look to take a trade is when you guys will start taking better quality setups and therefore having a higher win rate within the market. And it's honestly very simple, okay? And what I think social media has really brought upon this new era of day traders is you guys will go online and you guys will see your favorite quote unquote guru or influencer post the trade that they took for that day, whether it be a win or a loss. You guys will see that, and let's play this scenario out. Let's say they took a win. Okay, you guys will see them take a win, and you guys will have FOMO about them taking a win for that day, and you guys will sit there and be like, damn, did I really miss my entry for today? I should have taken that entry. I should have took what they took. And then you guys hop back on the charts and you revenge trade and you blow your account. And it's pretty simple. And it's all just from greed at the end of the day, and it's you guys not being able to sit out. And it goes further than just having FOMO when you see your favorite influencer online. All right, it goes a lot further than that, and we'll dive deeper into that within this video. But it's also in terms of losses, guys. You guys will sometimes see your favorite influencer online. You guys will see them take a loss, okay? Whatever it may be. Maybe they revenge traded. Maybe they were just following their model and they took a loss. But you guys will feel happy about that. You guys will be like, all right, yeah, like, that's good to see. They took a loss. That's okay then if I took a loss. That's okay then. You're putting what somebody else and what their journey outcome is for that given day acceptable for the decisions that you've made. Put aside if you followed your rules or not. In this case, we're going off of sitting out. So you guys see that, and whatever, for that day, if you guys had FOMO, you guys forced a trade because you weren't able to sit on your hands for that day, you guys will say that that was acceptable because your favorite influencer or somebody online also took a loss for that given day. And that's not what it should be about, guys. Everybody's journey is unique and different. At the end of the day, everybody's journey is different within trading. Everybody reaches different levels throughout different points within their journey. All right, and I would say nowadays more than ever, we're seeing traders become profitable in as little as like a couple of months, which is just crazy. Because I remember back when I started, I've been in this industry for 3 years now, and I mean that it was kind of just unheard of at that point for people to like already be quote unquote profitable and getting payouts from prop firms and as little as a couple of months. This is all speculative too in times of like one-on-one funding and when that was around. But back to what this video is primarily about, guys. Sitting out is something that you have to be okay with in the market, and you have to be able to tell when to sit out. Okay, for example, the way that I trade the smart money model, my entries are based off of inversion fair value gaps and candle displacement. Do you think that I would want to be trading when there's no volume within the market? Why would that make any sense for me to trade? And that goes way further than just Asia or London session or even PM session, even AM session. If there is no volatility and price is literally a straight barcode, why would I force a setup when my model and the model that I have data for that I've gotten payouts with requires volume within the market? If that's not there, why would I even look to be taking a trade? And that's just the matter of I need to be okay with sitting on my hands and not taking a trade for that given day. And it truly is super simple, but it's a hard concept for a lot of you beginner traders to understand, because you guys come into the markets each and every day and you guys just look to take a trade. It's as simple as that. And it's greed, okay? You guys see the capabilities and the possibilities that these accounts are able to bring you, and you just want quick results. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are in trading and you do see the longer term vision, but at the end of the day, you know, a lot of beginners have to overcome the greed and the instant gratification that they think trading is about. Okay, and I think once you guys truly realize that sitting on your hands and preserving capital is more important than actually taking a trade, that's when you guys start to see the results that trading has to offer, guys. Because in all honesty, it is super easy to take a trade. It's much harder to sit on your hands. Much harder to sit on your hands, guys. And you would think that it would be the other way around, but taking a trade is easy, because I've seen that model play out over and over and over again. I know that at the end of the day, it has a higher probability of hitting my take profit than stop loss. I know this video has been a little bit all over the place for you guys, but one quick last thing that I think is super important is that the markets are always going to be around, guys, but your capital may not be. Now, what I want you guys to take with that is that you guys have to protect your capital day in and day out, because the markets will be here at the end of the day every single day, okay? The stock market is not going anywhere, guys. The markets will always be here. Therefore, there will always be another setup to take. There will always be another A+ setup, guys. It's a matter of being able to sit out and sitting on your hands. And hopefully this video was able to get that point across to you guys, and you guys were able to take something away from this video. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.